Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to hide your all photos, videos available in Google Photos. So as you can see guys, there are lots of photos, images, videos available in my Google Photos app. Now I want to hide this all. Okay, if you want to hide all or any particular, so just you need to select this. Okay, like this, just select it. Now what you need to do, if you want to hide, in the bottom side of your screen, slide your screen, and here you can get the option move to archive. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. Now this all selected photos, videos was achieved on your Google Photos, as you can see guys in my screen. So I have not hidden all photos, so I have hidden only selected photos and videos. Okay, if you want to view that hidden photos, so you need to open the Google Photos app, go to collections, and here you can get the option achieve. So just tap on it, and here you can get your all hidden photos, videos. Okay, as you can see guys, if you want to unhide this, just select this like this. Okay, and then tap on three dots, and here you can get the option unachieve. Just tap on it. That's it. Now your photos, videos was unhide from your Google Photos. So this is the way to hide your Google Photos on your Android phone. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.